In this video, I will show you how to install the even feed foot. You want to make sure that you use the large screwdriver that came with your accessories kit. Also make sure that the presser foot bar is raised, which raises the presser foot. You want to also make sure that your needle is in the highest position, and most importantly, you want to make sure the sewing machine is off. Always make sure the sewing machine is off when you are working around the needle. So before we can install the even feed foot, we must remove the presser foot holder along with the presser foot. So you want to unscrew that going counterclockwise. Now that we've removed the presser foot holder and presser foot, we can now attach the even feed foot. So you want to make sure that the arm of the even feed foot is resting above the needle clamp. And we want to make sure that the attaching head on the even feed foot gets attached with the presser foot attaching screw. This may be a little difficult to get in there with your fingers to get it started. But once you get it started, then take your screwdriver and screw it in the rest of the way until it's tight. But you don't want to over tighten it. Okay? And that is how you install the even feed foot. I hope this video was a help to you. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and share it via social media. And until next time, happy sewing.